Hello, everyone. It is another Monday, and so it is time for 85 Beauty Talks. Hello, welcome. I feel like there should be like applause in the background. It's like, yeah, woo, like because you made it. And so today we are going to be talking about makeup, fast makeup that counts. When I makeup that counts, fast makeup, what comes to mind is not rushing to pile it on all on as quickly as possible, but instead to strategically do the makeup that is going to make the biggest impact with the least amount of tools. So that's what we're going to be getting into today. If you're new here, I'm so glad you are here. My name is Keela Fowler. I am the founder and CEO of 85 Beauty. And 85 Beauty is a makeup education company. We are all about making makeup easy and accessible because you can learn how to do makeup, and I'm here to help you on your journey. Today, as I look at, and I mean, it's a makeup bag. It's like bags upon bags upon bags. Like there's several bags in there. It's a lot. I know this is not the average person's makeup situation, but well, I'm a makeup coach, so I got all the tools. The thing that comes to mind is that's a lot. You know, it's a little overwhelming. As I dig out, I say dig, but I mean, I just take out the things that are going to be my go-tos. I've talked about good, better, best makeup. The good is the stuff that like you do your go-tos quickly, you jump on what you need, move along with your life. So when I think of that, first thing you want to do is analyze your face, okay? Step 1, analyze your face. You are going to the 5, which means don't think about product first. Don't think about the aisles of Sephora or Ulta first. That will lead you to overwhelm. What you're going to do instead is think of the fact that there are only 5 features you ever have to consider. You have your skin, your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks, and your it. So of those 5, step 1, analyze your face. I want you to choose the one that you want to feature. Like just choose one. For me, I'm going to choose my lips. Why? Because I love wearing lip color. It gives me a boost, it makes me feel pretty, and it requires the least amount of effort. So that's what you're going to do. So I'm going to go and look at my lip options. I have many, but my most perfect lip option is this bad boy right here. It is by Clinique, and it is the Peppermint Pop color in their Pop Matte lip range. Y'all, look how tiny she is. We need to buy her. Your sister's coming. We need a new one because I have just worn this until it is almost gone because it's that good. And y'all, I have a lot of lipstick, so it's not even like she's good. So I already have a little tinted lip balm on. Talked to y'all about that last week. And then straight from the bullet. I want maximum impact. So I am going to go straight from the bullet. And because I like the shape of the bullet, I can use the edge of it to line my lips. Make sure I'm getting the corners. Smush it in and blot. Always blot. This is what would otherwise end up all over your teeth. Not cute. Boom. I can be done now. I truly can, right? So step 1, analyze your face and choose one of the 5 that you're going to accentuate. Now, I could stop here, but there's another way that you can also help yourself out because that was seconds, right? That didn't take much time at all. I can also go for what is my number 2. So I have a number 1, which for me is lips. I also have a number 2, which is like the back backup. This is the other feature that if I gave it a little bit of attention, like my whole overall face would say, yeah, you're doing it, Key. Like you are showing up for today. And for me, that's going to be my eyebrows. Maybe for you, it's your cheeks. It's a dab of blush on the cheeks. And you're like, huh, I'm alive. I've got some color. I'm ready to go. Maybe for you, it's a touch of concealer right under the eyes or maybe the inner corner just to brighten things up. For you, maybe it is literally a swipe of eyeliner smudged in and you're like, whoo, doing it. There are all of these different things you can do. And I'm going to show you right now how you could do each of those things I just said. Okay, so eyebrows. I have a brow pencil. You want to go for the thing that's fast. And so scribble, scribble, scribble. I also have one of those brow pens. Y'all, that requires precision. When you're trying to be fast, you don't have time for things that require precision. You want to do things that you can, like I said, scribble, right? So, boom, boom, boom. I am not being fast. I'm sorry. I am being fast. I'm not being precious about this. I'm not like, oh, and then I have to get it just so. Nope. That's not what this is about. This is about being fast and taking a little bit of time for the areas that matter. Now, if you need a little, if for you it's a little concealer, little dot, little dot. Ready for this? One finger, tap, 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 tap. You want to tap instead of swipe. When you're swiping concealer, you are literally moving it all over the place. When you're tapping it, you are allowing yourself to blend it directly in the areas that you say you need. So, little concealer. I talked about a little blush. Okay, let's do a little cream blush. I've got one of those. Get a little cream blush and you dab it. I would prefer to use a sponge for cream blush. That's my favorite. That's my favorite choice. But my sponge is dirty. So use your fingers, tap, and then smush. Just smushing it on. Boom. Little colors to the cheeks. That's it. A little swipe of, please, what did I say? Like a smudge of eyeliner. Yeah, we can do that too. And this is the one that people are like, oh dear God, this is where it all goes wrong. Listen, I'm not going to do black. Black is going to make it like, it's going to show up and be like, hey, here's how you messed that up. I'm going to use a purple, like a plum. It's so forgiving. And I've shown you this before, little dashes. And I'm being messy on purpose because I'm just going to smudge this out. Okay? It's not perfect. I don't need it to be. Finger. Just like that. Wiping it back and forth. And now, it almost looks like a smudgy, look at that. Woo! It's almost like a smudgy eyeshadow moment. Again, I don't have to be precious and perfect. Just gonna use my finger and smudge that out. If you're not sure if you should do top or bottom, just do the top. And just like that, within seconds, with my fingers and a paper towel so I'm not getting color all over my face, I have gone from just a little lip color to lip color, little concealer, cheeks, little eyeliner, brows. Boom! And this could be my full face, right? What one person chooses to wear on their face is different from somebody else. So you have your one go-to. Figure out what that is for you based on the feature you most want to accentuate. And then from there, you have your backup. I told you, for me, it's brows. So I didn't need cheeks. I didn't need concealer. I didn't need eyeliner. So once you know what your go-to and your like backup is, that allows you to have the same level of confidence as when you have your full makeup routine time, energy, and effort to put forth. I would love to be able to help you, guide you more. You can absolutely look at all of the 85 Beauty Talks videos. They are here on Facebook. They are on YouTube. Find them wherever you need them. But you can actually get access to one of my best programs, which is called Secret Makeup Handbook. It is the guide that is going to help you figure out where those gaps are, the foundational gaps in your makeup knowledge that have you going, but like, you said that thing about concealer, but like, how do I even use concealer? I go through it step by step. Well, Keela, I was really needing help with foundation. Like, I can never find my color. I go through that step by step. So how do I know what color eyeshadow is the right color for me? I always get kind of confused. I teach you step by step how to figure that out, and I answer all of those questions in Secret Makeup Handbook. You can .com/easy. Once you do the free one, you're like, okay, just give me the rest. And if you do the free one and that's all you need, like, bravo, happy to email me. Hello, I'm always here to help. You all know how to reach me. You can comment below. You can 85beauty.com and go download your free chapter of Secret Makeup Handbook at 85beauty.com/easy. I will see you in the next one. And as always, stay fabulous. Bye, y'all.